think about is food. Oh,
yeah. Holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we're snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. It is freezing here in Dallas and it's supposed to snow sometime this week, so I'm getting prepared for that. I am making my famous bean chili, and if you are interested in seeing just how I made that, please stay tuned to this video. You guys, so now that we've chopped up our peppers, our onions, and our garlic, we're gonna go ahead and put them in the pan and get started. I don't think it's gonna change. I know what you know. Think it's best we go our separate ways.
I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight. I just use my covers to stay warm tonight. Think I'm better off here all alone tonight. Ain't no checking on when I get home tonight. Just making sure I'm good on my own tonight. Even though there isn't nothing wrong tonight. Yeah, I'm just saying, baby, I can really miss you if I'm with you. And when I miss you, it'll change the way I kiss you. Baby, you know time apart is beneficial. It's like I'm the universe and you'll be NASA. Get a whole world, I'ma need space. I'ma need space, I'ma need you to I'm a star space. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I'ma need space. Get a whole world, I'ma need space. I'ma need space, I'ma need you to I'm a star space. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I'ma need space. Bottom line, usually I would love it if you stayed the night. I just think I'm on another page tonight. It ain't nothing wrong with saying I need me time. Usually I would orbit around you, but gravity seems to be the only thing that's pulling me. You'll be my rise and shine soon as some stars align. Baby, I can really miss you if I'm with you. And when I miss you, it'll change the way I kiss you. Baby, you know time apart is beneficial. It's like I'm the universe and you'll be NASA. Get a whole world, I'ma need space. I'ma need space, I'ma need you to I'm a star space. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I'ma need space. Get a whole world, I'ma need space. I'ma need space, I'ma need you to I'm a star space. I'ma need space, I'ma need space, I'ma need space. Flex so much, flex so much. discover. You don't wanna leave me, but I'm trying to set the sky. Keep me in your orbit, and I know you'll drag me under. Keep me in your orbit, and I know you'll drag me under. I'm alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight.
All right, you guys, so while the last bit of flavor is marinating into the chili and the cornbread is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and wash up because once I'm finished, y'all, ain't nobody trying to do all that. So I'm gonna clean up real quick and then we'll get to eat. Oh, all I think about is food. Oh.
High volume.
The best part about cooking, y'all, is getting to sit down and eat. So bone apple teeth. Baby. Woo. And y'all, that sour cream I made, that was like improvisation. I had some vegan cream cheese and I just add a little bit of this chive seasoning that I got just to kind of give it a little bit more flavor, and came out bomb AF, because who forgets sour cream? Like, who does that? But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and y'all already know I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, okay?